What is going on, everybody? Culmination back here bringing you another video today. This video cannot be made possible if it wasn't for you guys liking my updated sneaker collection video. I said if you guys got that to 20 likes, I would have bought this package right here and I'd be unboxing it for you guys, and you guys surpassed that, and as right now it has 22 likes. So right here I've got my Bape mystery package from Laced Up. I bought the $99 Bape mystery package from Laced Up. Came here in about 3 days, so I just got it today, and I was very excited to make this video for you guys. Before I open this package, make sure to leave a thumbs up on the video. Make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure you join the nation by subscribing. Right now, I feel like I'm doing great with my videos. I'm uploading great times, so I wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for feedback from you guys. So make sure to go like and subscribe and leave your feedback. Let's open this. First up, packaged in a nice laced up bag. Laced Up logo, lacedup.com, buy, sell, trade. Thank you for the nice tote bag. Really appreciate it. Now inside the bag, we have this. This is obviously what we got, the Bape mystery package. That was the only thing inside the tote bag, so let's see what's in it. I hope it's pretty good. First I see, we have got a Bape keychain. You see that right there? I like this one. This one's got like that nice space effect to it. I will definitely be holding on to this. This will be staying in my room. I like to keep the keychains. I got the one from the Nike Supreme. I got the original Jordan one. I've got the clear Jordan one that came with my Jordan K 54s, 53s. So this will go great in the collection. See if there's anything else in here before I take out the main thing. I don't think so, so let's just see what's in here. So here we have, got that Bape bag, Bape packaging bag, bathing ape. You can't see it, but it says "Ape shall never kill ape." This is nice. Let's take this shirt out. Look at that. That's pretty big. Really big. Here we go. We got a Bape big head tee by Bathing Ape. It's in that like desert camo kind of color. I'm actually a really big fan of this. I want us to go on StockX right now and see how much this is worth. So I was not able to find out the price of this on StockX, but for their keychains, they mostly run from like $20 to $40. Since I wasn't able to find this specific one, the space camo keychain on StockX, I'm going to price this around $30 to $35. So, pretty good so far. Okay, so here's the thing. On StockX, they have this shirt, but they don't have, apparently there are none available. This came out their Spring/Summer 18 collection for retail of $99. So, I guess with the shirt and with the keychain, I'm already in the positive for my money back. It's a little weird that they don't have the keychain or the shirt that they gave me, so don't know yet if I decide to keep this or sell it, but yeah, nice shirt, dope keychain. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, this video cannot be possible if it wasn't for you guys liking my updated sneaker collection video. And if you guys ever want to see this again, my mystery unboxings, please like this video. Please leave your comments on what I should do next. I'll be more than happy to go ahead and buy more mystery boxes to unbox for you guys on this channel, because I think it's fun. I love mystery packages, and honestly, I think it's so much fun that you just never know what you're going to get, and you don't know if you're ever going to make a profit off of what you get. Thank you again for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Peace.